What if I told you that you can build $1 million app for free without writing a single line of code? Sounds crazy, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly that using Lovable Cloud and AI. By $1 million, I mean an app which can generate potentially $1 million in revenue, not something which will cost you millions of dollars. Because earlier and even now, people raise millions of dollars to build an app which may or may not make any revenue. But with AI and Lovable Cloud, you can build any app free of cost. Stick around because by the end of the video, you'll know how to go from idea to working app within few minutes by using Lovable Cloud. So why should you listen to me? I'm Avdesh and I have 20 plus years of experience building large application for Fortune companies. And for past few years, I have been experimenting with AI and have created multiple apps using these AI platforms. And I'm sharing my learning on this channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and bookmark this video so that you can refer it again if needed. So what is Lovable Cloud? So Lovable Cloud is what we say a vibe coding platform, which basically means that it helps you in building complex application by just providing few prompts. So you can think what you want to build, edit some prompt, and the platform will build the app for you. And you can make changes as you go along. So based on your vibe, you can build an application. So Lovable Cloud has a built-in database for lovable apps, which means no need to create database, file upload, creating multiple secrets and different things. You can build complex apps easier than before. You can also add AI to your app without need to configure any API key or worrying about which LLM to use. If you remember previously in Lovable, when you created an app, you had to integrate it with Supabase database in order to make the backend work. But with Lovable Cloud, everything is integrated. So today we are going to build a social media automation app. So let's get on to it. So let's start building our app. Now, this is Lovable Cloud. So you can go lovable.dev/cloud or just Google Lovable Cloud. It will come here. Now we hit get started. Now, what you can do is just provide a comment or prompt, a one-line prompt, and it will build you an application. And the app which we are going to build today is for social media automation. If anybody want to create Instagram content, they can just provide some content and app will create all the social media content for them. To create an app, I suggest first thing we should do is have a good prompt. And for creating a prompt, either you can learn prompt engineering, and we have shared a lot of videos, or use ChatGPT to create an amazing prompt for you. So let's go to ChatGPT. So I went to ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT, hey, create a prompt which I can use on Lovable to create an app with these like high level requirement. Like, this app should be able to create content for Instagram. User should be able to upload image if they want. If they don't upload image, then, create one for them. And this, Instagram post should have ability to go viral, right? So imagine like, so people who are creating social media content, instead of spending a lot of time creating content themselves, this app will start churning it out for them. So now let's see what kind of prompt ChatGPT is creating for us. And whenever we are developing an app, right, the more detailed a prompt we provide in first go, these vibe coding software will provide you a better application. Otherwise, what happens, a lot of time people will give a one line requirement, then vibe coding platform like here Lovable will create something. Now if you want to make changes, you can, but then like these apps leave a lot of garbage code and things start becoming really complex and messy. So either go step by step, create a small uh, module or section of your app and then build next one, or try to create a good prompt in one go so that full app can be created in one go if possible. Okay, so here's the prompt which ChatGPT has created, that okay, it should have these features and these requirements. Okay, so what you can do is you can copy paste this and edit in a Word doc or whatever, or use ChatGPT canvas and edit it. So let me quickly review this. So I did some modification to that prompt, minor, and reviewed it. And let's put our prompt here. Viral post creation. Create an Instagram post for us, and user will have ability to either provide an image or app will generate an image for them. Like long prompt. I won't go through it. Let's see what it creates. So here Lovable has created some kind of an outline, what it is going to create, some feature design, and it is asking if you want to enable cloud. Let's allow it. It will provide us free built-in backend, and it will also add an LLM for us if you want to add AI capability in our app. So here's the app which Lovable has created for us. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is how it looks. Viral post AI, Christian. Okay, create Instagram ready AI. Okay, what's your post about? Now let's see. Okay, so create a short-term rental, like property, and you want to encourage people to stay there. And let's upload an image. Go to documents, and I'll upload one of the image I have, and just click viral post. Okay, so it has created a caption, hashtags. Okay, it has suggested some new hooks, and this is how this post will look like. Okay, pretty good. And we can, okay, when you click on this button, it is generating something else. So good. So we have something here, social media, and now we are not providing image. Let's see. Wow, so it has generated an image for us, and it is really beautiful. So it is a pretty good tool actually. Like in one go we are able to generate these social media posts, and people spend like lot of time, minutes or hours creating these posts. Folks who are either full-time influencers and whatnot. To improve any app, right, so we have to look from marketing perspective also. So currently, right, this app is good, but whenever you are creating app, it has to market itself. So what we can do is we can add a lot of elements like testimonials and more description. So let's try to create it. So what you can do is you can just take a screenshot of it. Okay, and then you can go to ChatGPT and ask it to improve it. Okay, so improve conversion. So now we are asking ChatGPT to provide suggestions. So it has provided suggestion on how to improve the heading, subheading, call to action, add visual social proof, right? So let's do this. Available and post this thing here. Can you add credibility and results? Okay, now let's see what it does. Okay, great. So it has like added these things, kind of a social proof and some of these sample images, and awesome. So this looks great. Now what we can do is we can uh, add a login credentials or whatever, so that someone has to sign up on this app and move this section behind the sign up. Okay, let's do that. So can you create a sign up? So So here it is saying that, like, whatever I provided in my language, that yes, it will create a sign up login functionality and image generation feature. This thing will be behind the authentication. So now it has created a login functionality. Let's that, it has created login page, but we don't have any other web content here. We have to bring that marketing content here. So let's do that. Okay, can you see that? Let's do this. Okay. So it is calling it hero section. So hero section and the social proof will be on the first page. So let's see. So voila. So we have an app created. So here we have this app. Let me take a screen. So let's check it out. Okay. So here we have this fully functioning website. So here is the hero content about the app, some kind of a social proof, and then get started. So I really like this app. If I want, like, I can publish it, and then, like, start having users tomorrow. Once I have enough users, I can make it a paid version and people can pay and use this app. So I hope you like this video, and you're able to learn something about from it. If there's anything else you want us to share, then please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thanks. Bye bye.